Question: Are you struggling to recover from the affair that impacted your relationship? If you are, I want to share something with you. You've probably seen lots of affair books out there. Maybe you tried counseling. And I want to approach this completely different. It's a book I created, but it's a workbook. And then here's the spin of it. This workbook has accountability where you and your partner have to sit down, face each other, and then work through that healing and recovery process of an affair. I want you to try it out. I want you to click the link below. Read a little bit of what it's about. But that's how it works. And that's one of the beauties about it. So many couples who have undergone this process have shared with me that one of the reasons they love this workbook is because it has accountability. It's not just one of them healing and recovering while the other one stands by and waits. It's both of them, all the way from you and your partner going from the very beginning of why it took place all the way to healing and recovering, so that you're able to look back and say, okay, we did it together. We got to this beautiful place because of our combined effort. I want you to try it out.